Oke, baik, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say thank you for your attention to give me opportunity to presentation about my article journal. Firstly, my name is Muhammad Izar Fadila with ID student is A1M22001, A1M22013. Okay, the title of the article is Poem Generator, a comparative quantitative evaluation of microwords based learning approach for teaching English. This article was written by Craig Jenkins, University of South Wales, UK. The name of journal is International Journal of Education and Development Using Information and Communication Technology, or we can say IJEDIC. 2015, volume 11, issue 2, page 153 until 167. Okay, the background of the study. In Wallace, the National Literacy and Numeracy Framework, or LNF, Wales Government 2013 sets a legal requirement for teachers to embed literacy into all lessons. The recent curriculum review by Professor Donald Hudson 2015, he recommended that there are 3 statutory curriculum review to students learn ICT by digital competence and ICT steering group 2013 report the Wales government recommends that all learners should be given the opportunity to learn programming. It means that the curriculum should have the lesson about ICT to student learn about the programming like us ICT. Okay, the research question. The research question is how should educational practice adapt in order to integrate digital competence more deeply? And the objective of the study to examine the potential of micro-world-based teaching approach for the development of computational thinking skills. And the second is to examine the potential of micro-world-based teaching approach for the development of poetic thinking in English. The next is scope of the study. The researcher has focused on the curriculum area of English. Okay, the next is literature review. First is what is micro-word? Underpinning this development was a profound new philosophy of new learning happens with computers of micro-word based approach for learning in, and we can see the paper 1980. The content is, it means that micro-word is a provide means the student to learn natural way, such like as they can learn the ICT to grow the knowledge about the ICT by the theoretically. So the next is what is computational thinking? Wing 2006 explained that computational thinking is a fundamental skills for everyone, not just for computer, not just for computer scientists. It means that computational thinking is more important to student learn because the computational thinking not just learn by theoretically, but also they can learn to grow or develop of making some application or website where the area topic about is education. Okay, the next is methodology. The methodology, the first is research design, use quantitative research with using micro-word, and the next is instrument and experimental non-equivalent comparison group design was used with pretest and posttest for computational thinking and poetry. And the participant, the sample consists of experimental group made up of 9 69% boys and 31% girls, and the comparison group made up 57% boys and 43% girls. And the data analysis was carried out using IBM SPSS. Okay, in the finding, we can get the two things about the journal. The first is comparison means, where you can see the table between taking the pre-test and post-test learners who did not receive the micro-world intervention improved by 2.5 raw marks on average in computational thinking. And the four poetic thinking in English, the comparison group, improved by an average of 3.6 raw marks, whereas the micro-world group improved by average of 4.4 marks. And the second finding is independent sample t-test. For independent sample t-test, you can see the table. Two independent sample t-tests were carried out in order to assess the confidence of the change the wear is measured. Okay, the conclusion is the finding of the study reveal a number of important results of educators to consider. There are potential quantifiable gains in performance that could be achieved as a result of incorporating elements of micro-world-based pedagogy into classroom practice. It is clear with close to 80% confidence that learners who receive the micro-world-based intervention in teaching practice made a higher improvement in computational thinking and poetic thinking than their counterparts who did not. Okay, that's all about my presentation about my journal. Thank you for your attention. Next, I open a Q&A session, and if you have some question, please hands up.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity. I have a question. Okay, the question is, the first one is, what three statutory cross curriculum?
Okay, thank you for your question. My answer is based on the Professor Donald Hudson 2015. He is claimed that three statutory curriculum, which the point is, first is literacy, where the literacy give the student to learn the ICT for the base of the language, and the second is numeracy. The numeracy is the point of the second of the curriculum, where the ICT used to the number and etc. And the third is digital competence. Digital competence, it means that the student learn the ICT for growth the knowledge about the technology is by to digital competence lessons. That's the three of the curriculum, statutory curriculum. Next, if you have some question.
Okay. How can computational thinking can grow the ability students to learn ICT?
Okay, thank you for your question. My answer is the computational thinking can grow by use the decomposition. The composition when the facing large problems and modularize to think the recursively. So that this is a three key tools to borrow the student the computer science thinking skills.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, if you have no some question more, thank you for your for your attention and for your participants. I close by say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.